Hi there, welcome to another MCP tutorial. Today we are going over Mailchimp MCP on AgentX. First, we will create a Mailchimp API key. Log into your Mailchimp dashboard. At top right corner, click Profile. In the Profile page, click Extras and then click API keys. You can use an existing key here or create a new key. You can name it whatever you want. I will just call it AgentX Dev. Now generate the key, and you will see a new API key like this got generated. You can copy it and we will use it later. Now let's navigate to AgentX dashboard. You can create or edit an existing AI agent. In the Edit Agent page, click Tools and find Mailchimp in MCP integrations. Click Install, copy and paste the key that we just created here, and click Check MCP Server. You will see a list of tools show up. Then click Save. Done. Your Mailchimp MCP is successfully installed. Now let's give it a try in the chat. We can ask something like, how is my last campaign doing? You can see the agent utilized Mailchimp tool and found the ID of the campaign. We can instruct it to continue. Now it returns the detailed performance stats from that campaign, including open rate, click rate, bounce number, and others. That's all. Hope you guys like it. And I will see you next time.